Oh my goodness, it's really fucking good to be back here. This is one of my favorite songs to play. We ate so many tacos today. I apologize if I burnt tacos on you. They were delicious. Experiencing the brunt of that. We are very close to it. I first just want to shout out, because I know she's like super self-conscious about it, but this is Kate Steinberg, Coach Fucking Kate. We've been on tour for a long time, and Kate is on vocal rest tonight. So Kate is like giving her fucking hardest and working through some shit. So we love you, Kate! And we have a new album, it's called Monkey Becky Birthday Boy!